Alright, we're finishing up the exercise on headings, and as I was saying at the end of the last one, this less than sign, if you just throw a less than sign in your code, because it's HTML5, the computer thinks you're trying to make a tag. You know, a tag like, a heading tag, a head tag, or a body tag, or all kinds of tags, a break tag. So that's why you have to use a special character to show. Oops, sorry, wrong one. I can get rid of this now. I just copied it. This is the one that I have up. Okay, so this is the G clef or the ampersand, and LT with the semicolon. Now the reason this break tag comes in is because if I didn't have that, it wouldn't go to the next line. They would all be on the same line. The headings, remember, it's built in that they break the line. Okay. And then we have a cute little heart and the copyright sign, and there's tons of special characters you can use in CS103. Alright, now another thing that we have use of is to put in comments. Now, a use of comments is to describe portion of the code, and another one is to comment out code. So I'm going to put this, an exclamation point, 2 dashes. Okay, now that's at the beginning of what I want coded out, and at the end I'm going to put 2 dashes, and there. I'm going to close it out. Alright, now I'll save this. Uh-oh. That's not the one I have up. I have headings up. Hold on. This is a different file. Alright, let me get this, where is this saved? Save as, hold on, we'll get there. Or we're in the E drive. Oh, okay. Let's get to the E drive again. We'll go to CS103, and I think we made a headings, yes. Alright, we'll call this, we'll just replace our file. So we'll call this headings. Watch, I'm going to name this the same thing that I already have a file named at, and you'll see what comes up. Oops. Okay. I guess I made a mistake. Oh, I see. All files. There. See, now I'm going to go to save, and it'll say, oh, it already exists. You want to replace it? I'm going to say yes. Alright, now I'm going to refresh, and there it goes. See how that is all gone? Because I coded it out. I mean, I commented it out with the code for comments. Alright? Okay, and white space is also used when we're doing our code, but it does take up space, but it's usually worth it. Okay, so let's say I just tab these in just to make them look better, and we will be using tabs when we're doing our lists, which is next. Alright, there. Now I save this again. I'm going to take the comments out for a second. Okay. And now I'll save it and refresh. Alright. See, it doesn't make any... This isn't tabbed in over here. The tabbing only helps people who are looking at my code. It makes my code look neater. Alright, we're good. And our next one, I'll see you in the next video.